Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe, and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make $500 every day for free doing nothing in 2021 in South Africa. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe button so you are always in tune with our brand new video. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump right into the video. The name of the first app is called InstaGC, and it's pretty much what you would find in a regular standard gift card earn money through survey website. As it says, digital gift cards received instantly. Join our fast growing community and receive free gift cards instantly for your participation. Earn points for things you already do online. Now there are multiple ways you can make points or make money by doing this. You can complete surveys, you could watch videos, you could shop online, or you could search the web, and then after you do that, you redeem your points and you get free gift cards. So this website primarily focuses on gift cards. I mean, they do offer money, but only after you redeem the gift cards, and you can actually turn that into money. You could get lots of different gift cards, you can follow lots of different links, and once you do that, you can easily turn those gift cards and make money by doing that. I prefer, or I rather advise you to watch videos. It's easier. If you have two phones, you just watch a video on the other phone and go about your day, get gift cards, and after you get those gift cards, you can easily redeem them and you can get some pretty sweet and interesting things once you do that. So make sure you follow my instructions and you should be a-okay. Anyways, let's get on to the other way that you can make money. The next way that you can make money in South Africa is by going to an app that I call App Karma. I've spoken about App Karma in the past, but it has been some time before I've referenced it again, so I wanted to touch on it again. As it says, earn rewards by playing with apps. It is free. Complete offers and earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gifts available for iOS or Android users. So you can install App Karma, but before you do that, I want to run you through the basics. These are the full rewards. You can easily make money by actually sharing your referral link. YouTubers, bloggers, and anybody interested in becoming an affiliate can easily join the VIP referral program. If you have a social media, then you can definitely click on that link. If you have some social presence, then being an affiliate marketer for App Karma could definitely work in your favor. But if you just want to make money with it, you can just play games. App Karma pays you and you earn daily rewards when you do those rewards, and these are something that I call achievement badges. You can get extra 200 points when you achieve things like installing 5 apps, watching 25 videos. Doing things like that will give you achievements, and once you have achieved those achievements, then you will get rewards and get certain badges. I just advise you guys to just primarily focus on just doing the websites and just doing the apps and just watching the videos so that you can get your money. And also a very important note, always make sure that you have the correct PayPal details. If you have the correct PayPal details, then you will always get your money, because a lot of people complain and say, oh, I got scammed, I did not get my money. Well, most of the time, not all the time, a lot of people enter the wrong details, the wrong email address, and the wrong PayPal. So just make sure that you handle that and you add the right details. If you do that, then you should be fine. Anyways guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Thank you if you made it up until the end of the video. You are a star. Thank you very much. The giveaway is happening this month and we are very excited excited to announce the winners. The announcement is coming very soon, so just make sure you comment and like, and you might be the lucky person out of 3 to win 1,000 rand. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, love y'all.